So another good example of a PWM pin is using an RGB LED. And that stands for a red, green, and blue LED. So technically, we should be able to create almost any color with this one LED. And what it's going to look like, so if this is our LED, we're going to have one long leg be the cathode. So now our cathode's a long one. And remember, this is going to be our ground pin. So we only need one ground. And then it essentially just has three LEDs inside of it. So if you have the cathode on the right, kind of like you see drawn here, we have the red LED, the green LED, and then the blue LED. So to control each color, you need to use that specific pin. So let's go ahead and take a look at a real RGB LED. So here it is again. Here I'm going to point to the cathode, the long leg. So this is the ground, and then you got red on the right side. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this in the breadboard. So make sure each leg has its own little row on the breadboard, just like this. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and do ground first. So to start out, we're going to need the resistor. So if you can't see, I'm connecting it to the cathode leg of the LED. And I'm stretching it out to the blue strip, the blue rail for ground, just like that. Okay, and I always like to use blue for ground, so I'm going to poke that in the rail and connect that to ground on the Arduino. Try to slide this around. Perfect. Alright, so now let's go ahead and wire up the actual colored pins. And remember, you can do this with digital, but we're going to use PWM to really get the full effect and full range of colors. So I'm going to hook up the red side to digital pin 3. Notice that it has a tilde. And then I'm hooking up the green LED with the green wire to digital pin 9, which has the PWM tilde. And then finally, for my blue one, I'm going to use this orange wire connected to digital pin 10. So there we go. We have the RGB LED, we have the three colors, and then we have ground. And when you upload the code that we're going to provide for you on the site, upload that to the Arduino, and then we should see something like this. It's going to flash the three colors, and then it's slowly going to fade in and out across the color spectrum. Now, it's not perfect, but it's pretty dang close, and it's a great example of what we can use the PWM for.